Hello, I'm Lori Somerville, and this is a tutorial on how to use the app Prezi. Prezi is a dynamic cloud-based presentation software and storytelling tool for presenting ideas on a virtual canvas. To get started using Prezi, just register for a free public account. Once you register with Prezi, you have a few options. I would suggest that you first explore other Prezi presentations just so that you can get a feel for the software and what it can do. Here is a Prezi presentation that I have created in the past, and some of my favorite features about the Prezi is the zoom and pan features. Also that you're able to insert images and videos. So here I'm going to select new Prezi, and you can see there are many templates to choose from, tons and tons, or you could use a blank canvas. So here I'm going to select to use a pre-made world map antique template. The good thing about using a ready-made template is everything is kind of already lined up for you, so all you really have to do is to fill in the blanks, fill in the information that you want to add. To move the canvas, just click and hold, and you can move it and reposition it so that you can see better. Over here on the left hand side where my pointer is, this is your path, and this controls what order your actual presentation goes in. And we'll talk more about that later. To add text anywhere on your presentation, all you have to do is click it and a text box will pop up. But here you can see they have a place for you to add a title, and you can edit the title. You can add any text. You can resize it, and you can move it very simply. To add an image or symbol or YouTube video, all you have to do is to use the insert option. To add images, you can search the web, or you can use some that they have already provided, or you could upload your own. They have many symbols of different things that may relate to what your Prezi is about, and YouTube videos that you can link directly from YouTube. There are many other options as far as highlighting, drawing, adding arrows, and you can also customize your presentation, change the background, and add different features that makes it more unique and that can enhance your presentation. So in each frame is where your actual information will go, and you can add your text there. Like I said before, you can insert an image here, and when you insert the image, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you can make the entire frame bigger, and it's a lot of editing tools to edit the images within the actual box. So again, you can see that it zooms a lot in and out, and that's one of the features that makes it very interesting for people to watch and not so boring. One of the more complicated features on Prezi is editing the path. Below here, if you click edit path, you will see the order in which the slides will show. So just think of a PowerPoint presentation and how the slides go progressively. And so this is the same way. They're just located in different places, and zooms in and out so that you can get closer to see the details. So for instance, if I wanted this slide to go before this slide, I just move it up, and you notice that the order or the visual display has changed. And if you want to add a new frame, one pops up, and you can put it where you want it to go. And let's say if I want to resize it, you have a few options. You can make it circular or also invisible where it won't show during your presentation at all. While you're editing the path, if you want to add that new frame to your presentation, you just click it, and here it shows that it will be a part of your presentation, and you can move it and reorder it as you see fit. So let's take a look and see what it would actually look like when it started. Of course, this isn't a finished product, but I just want you to see exactly how it works. Okay. Once you are done editing your Prezi, you can share it. You can share it on Facebook. You can download it as a PDF. Usually I just use the link, and I use as the best way to preview it, because if you got your videos and your pictures from online, that way they will show up with no problem. Once you're done with your Prezi, here you see those options again. You can save as a copy. It's a public document, so other people that are searching can see it. You can add a description and things like that. So let's take a look at a finished Prezi that I created for my high school history class. So notice at the bottom of the screen is my navigation tool so that I can move through the Prezi. And it zooms in for details, and all of the text boxes I added in separately because they didn't actually come with the presentation, but along with the artwork I wanted to add some notes for my students on different topics. So again, it's very easy to navigate, and it keeps people engaged because of all the movement. So this pretty much concludes my tutorial on how to use Prezi, and I hope that you found it informative and helpful. Thank you.